Good evening, this is Harris Gostian, field reporter from Hascogo TV with your 8 o'clock update on Hurricane Irene. We're still here on Mount Coxwell. Conditions have remained practically the same since our last report. However, there's been some significant developments which we're going to look forward to in the next 2 hours. As originally reported, we're expecting the eye of the hurricane to come over Mount Coxwell around 8 o'clock. Currently tracking the storm on Doppler, it's about 400 miles wide. Now, while it's broken apart as it's hit landfall, it's still a very big storm, still a massive hurricane storm category 1. What's happening though is where in a traditional hurricane, the storm surge usually comes from the east and the winds whip around from the southeast, creating a front on the north end. This traditionally pulls the wind up and pulls the tide in, increasing erosion and also increasing waves. With that, we've had a ton of rain come down, but now what we're seeing is the northwesterly winds are whipping around on the back end and ultimately creating even more rain, and instead of the winds pushing the rain up towards the shore, we actually have a blowout effect going on and they're pushing them back out to sea. If you look behind me, you can see the water just running down, just dispersing down. And last time we checked, we had about 3 inches of water in the Tony Stewart number 14 Office Depot waterometer. Now we're up to 6 inches of water. The cup is full and we're ready to change sponsors. So for the evening portion of our coverage, it'll be brought to you by Pacifico Beer, the #1 beer in Mexico and beyond. This is Harris Gostian wrapping up the coverage for the 8 o'clock hour. We'll be back at 9 for our next storm update.